This question asks us to find the interval of convergence for this series here. So to do that, you can always use the ratio. So your options here are to, in this case, use the ratio test. Okay, that always works. Always works. 2, you might ask, is it geometric? Because if it's a geometric, then it converges to, your a over 1 minus r, so long as that's true. And I think if you look at this, it is a geometric, right? We can write out the first few terms, and you'll know that, right, we get 1, and then when you plug in, when we plug in a 1, we get negative a half times x minus 7, and then we plug in a 2. When you plug in a 2, you get, negative a half squared x minus 7 squared, etc. So, so the common ratio, so it looks like here we can say that it's a geometric, and the common ratio, so the common ratio is negative a half x minus 7. Okay, and our first term is equal to 1. So we can apply this formula here. So the function it converges to, we'll write that down first, is 1 over 1 minus the common ratio. Okay, and we'll clean that up a little bit. And so that's going to be true when our common ratio is less than 1. So we'll deal with that in a minute. But we can clean up this function a little bit. This is probably best written as 1 over 1 plus x minus 7 over 2, which is fine, but we might multiply the top and the bottom by 2 to represent it as 2 over 2 plus the quantity x minus 7, which is also known as 2 over x minus 5. So that we'll put there. Okay, and then we'll unpack this a little bit. So this is true when negative 1 is less than negative a half x minus 7. Okay, and then multiply by negative 2. It'll flip it, since it's going to flip the inequalities, but it'll be fine. So that becomes a 2, and this is an x minus 7. And that's a 2, that's a negative 2. And then add 7 everywhere. So you get this. It's written the wrong way, but 5 to 9. And you don't need to check endpoints because geometrics never converge at the endpoints. So there it is. So that's much quicker than the ratio test, because then you don't have to check the endpoints. So it's worth checking if it's a geometric first, which it was. Oh, and they told us it was. Maybe I should just read directions.